Hey everyone, if you're wondering whether it's still worth it to become a virtual assistant when AI is advancing so fast, this video is for you. Today, I'll be talking about the future of virtual assistants, also called VAs, why human skills are still needed, and how AI knowledge can actually boost your VA career. So let's dive in. Hi, I'm Karen and I help people start online businesses, whether that's a side hustle, a parallel career to earn some extra income, or start a hobby or pursue your passion. I'm here to share lots of different ways you can do that, and today is about how to do that as a virtual assistant. I started out as a virtual assistant 7 years ago, and I've seen the role of the virtual assistant evolve so rapidly, especially in the last year. With all the talk about AI taking over jobs, you might be asking, why would anyone hire a human virtual assistant when AI is so powerful? Well, here's the thing. Business owners still need help with AI, not only to set up, but to use it effectively. So that's where you come in as a skilled VA. The evolution of a virtual assistant. So virtual assistants have come a long way from basic administrative tasks to full-on strategic roles, and now with AI tools like ChatGPT, ManyChat, and automation software, VAs can do even more. In every single tech tool, we will see AI coming on. VAs can do even more than that though, and that doesn't mean that humans are out of the picture. In 2025, VAs with AI skills are the ones who can help businesses leverage these tools to save time and increase productivity. So why AI can't fully replace human VAs? AI is powerful, but it's actually not perfect yet. It still needs human oversight to make sure it's used properly and aligns with businesses' unique needs. And many business owners simply don't want to spend time learning these tools. They want someone who can take the reins, set up their systems, and handle the tech while they focus on their big picture goals or helping their clients. So an example is, imagine a business owner trying to use an AI tool for social media, but they end up frustrated. They might not have time to learn how to prompt correctly, write the social media captions, create the actual content, come up with the ideas, set up the integrations or tweak the system, and that's where a skilled VA steps in. How AI savvy VAs are adding value in 2025. So an AI literate VA can automate repetitive tasks, organize and manage projects, and even analyze data to provide insights. This doesn't replace what VAs do, it amplifies it. So an actual example, let's say a client wants a content plan. As an AI skilled VA, you can use tools like ChatGPT to quickly generate ideas, refine them, and present a polished plan. It saves time and impresses the client, especially when you can train ChatGPT to write exactly like your client in their tone of voice. Okay, skills to focus on as a virtual assistant in 2025 and beyond. So what skills do you need to be a VA in 2025? It's all about combining traditional VA skills with an understanding of AI tools. And here's a quick list. First one, AI prompting. Knowing how to get the best output from AI tools, okay, like ChatGPT. Number 2, automation setup. So tools like ManyChat or Zapier to streamline workflows. Number 3, data management. So basic skills in organizing and analyzing AI generated data to give clients actionable insights. Here's a pro tip for you. If you pick one AI tool that you know or you can learn, like ManyChat or ChatGPT or Kajabi, for example, and become an expert in that one tool, learn it, and as you're learning it, you can help your clients with it. So use it in your own business and then help clients with it. That's what you can do. You don't need to know all the tech tools, all the AI tech. You can just learn one. So with these skills, you're not just a VA, you're a digital asset who can optimize, manage, and grow with AI. So why now is the best time to become a VA? Even though AI is evolving, it's creating more demand for skilled VAs, and that's human VAs. In 2025, businesses want VAs who can help them navigate the tech, and by learning these tools, you're positioning yourself as a must-have asset. So yes, you absolutely should become a VA, especially if you're ready to embrace AI as part of your toolkit. All right, that's it from me. Thanks for tuning in. If you're ready to take the leap into the VA world or enhance your skills with AI, now is the time. Or maybe you're a business owner looking for a VA, or you want to add in AI automations to your business. Drop a comment if you're excited about this journey or if you have any questions. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay updated on all things AI and automations and VA content. See you next time.